Never thought I'd be so excited to see a ceiling fan turn. Where there is a will, there's a way. This is that bathroom light. All right, so check this out. We have lights. Oh, that's pretty. I started hanging some of my other lights. Let's go take a look at them. Oh, that one works too. Oh, nice. Had a little bit of a drive and a trip getting down here, but it made it in one piece. I can't believe it. I told them if one of the branches fell off, don't worry, I'll get it back on. Oh, that's nice. That's where the dining room table's gonna be, right underneath there. All right, let's see how this looks. This is gonna be one of the lights above the island that's gonna be down there. All right, let's check this out. Oh, that might actually work too. Like I said, it'll be above the island right there. There's two of them. I did not know what angle was gonna be up there, so I may have to get a longer pendant light for that one. So more to come on that, but that's pretty much what I was thinking it would look like.
Clean up duty, getting some of the junk by my barn, bringing it up here because we're going to get a dumpster for the cabin built here shortly. I crushed down an old blind to get rid of it. It just rotted apart. It was a hay bale blind.
No, that looks good.
Yeah.
Just one coat then of sealer, or do you put
Probably
two
or three.
Yeah. Okay. So now we just got to add rain. A little bit too much to water. Let's see if they got, yep, they got the upper lawn finished. Oh yeah, and then in here are the dreaded bifold doors for this closet here. I'm just glad I don't have to put these together. All right, Friday, October 20th. They were here all day today working on the inside. Let's see what got finished. Yeah, the floors look a lot better in here since they got all vacuumed. Don't have much light here, so it's going to be a little grainy. Looks like they got the trim up on the ceiling in the bathroom. That's new. Oh yeah, this one has a light. We got some toilets we need in. And it looks like they're just working on that closet there. And the floor trim on in the little bathroom. And some ceiling trim. Oh, it looks like you got the other exhaust fan in. That's that one that is actually a can light combo exhaust fan. I thought that was pretty cool. So that's in the shower, in the smaller bathroom. So other than some shelves over here, I think this is pretty much done besides a light up there yet. And of course the shower. I do have a glass door, like a barn door type thing, that's going to go on there. That's going to be something later on when everybody's out of here. And it looks like they got the bifold doors in. The ones that I really don't like. But they're in. And they work.
So Sharon decided for this back wall, if you will, from the commode to do red cedar. So she started on that, at least on the date of this update. Stay tuned for future updates as we're just about done with the cabin, but let's finish this one.
So Joe has the bathroom vanity, actually both of them. One is the log and one's that log cabin one. And he's got my concrete vanity top for one of them. So it's going to be a slow and easy ride all the way to the cabin. Man, them things are heavy. Alright, where there is a will, there's a way. This is that bathroom light, and I have to be able to carry it in. And I think I'm just gonna use the ATV. See if it even makes it. Well, it might be Sunday, but definitely not a day of rest for anybody here. So Joe and I brought in my vanity that is made from those hewn logs from that old smokehouse. That's going to go against that wall there. We have to get that cabinet put in first. And then over here, I started working on the area where the toilet's going to go. There was that goofy wall back here, and I wanted to make some kind of accent. It's the cedar planks, so I'm just gradually working my way up. I thought I'd be like almost done. Yeah, look at that. A little bit more to go. I just needed to make sure I got the bottom part done, so when Casey the plumber comes and finishes, he can get that toilet in there. One of the bathroom vanity lights is installed. It's not hooked up yet, otherwise I would turn that on for you. And yes, this is another one of my crazy ideas for a light that's in the bathroom here. Good thing we got 10-foot ceilings. But we did bring my cedar log, that log pedestal that I've been working on, and the backsplash and the top. So we're getting that in here, and Casey will be putting that in Friday. I'm off work, so I'm gonna see if I can help him. And he got the other pendant light in. I need to kind of straighten them out a little bit, but hey, they're up and they work. That's the ones that are going to be over the island, which will be right there. All right, so just to recap, this is going to be done hopefully today. No, not today. That was wishful thinking. Now, in the next couple of days, both the front and back should be done. Get that all wrapped up. And the concrete in the front. All right, that right there is a sign of a good day's work. Joe, I need you to get that thing off the back so I can put more stuff. And I can't believe you don't have a cup holder. I'm surprised you even got this. It is Monday, October 23rd. And I see a front porch that I haven't seen for probably a year now because it's been covered up with that stuff. Anyway, looks like they're getting ready to pressure wash it. We had to peel back some of that dirt in front. We still have to redo this whole slope here and this whole landscaping. But that's one step closer to getting all this dirt and mud and everything else cleaned up. Get it all sealed like the back, which I think they put another coat on. Let's go take a look. Oh yeah, I can smell it. Definitely put another coat on. So that should be it. I don't remember if that's the second or third coat. But the back should be done. And now we can work on the front. They're coming tomorrow to measure for the stone for the countertops. So I gotta clean this whole thing off. And I think I still need to glue a panel on the end here. Otherwise, we're all set for them. It's pretty dark in here just because I'm here after work again. But they did, looks like they installed that one 18-inch cabinet that's going to go along the wall there. And then we can move this behemoth of a vanity with the stone countertop and put that up against the wall here. All right, October 24th update. Looks like they got the stain on the concrete in front here. I know they were working on posts in the back. Let's go take a look. Oh, and it looks like they put the rail in for the shower. I'm glad they did that. I wasn't sure how that was going to work. So they're probably going to let that glue dry overnight. It's going to have like one of those hanging barn door ones on it. And I know they're going around and just putting varnish on all of the floor trim. And it looks like they're starting to get the header around all the posts. So a little more progress. And we got some gravel. All different shapes and sizes. Because we definitely need gravel. Oh, do we need gravel. Never thought I'd be so excited to see a ceiling fan turning. All right.